here we have another entrepreneurs like who is being breaking rank in the India. Like his company is bringing top rank 5 in the India, and we have Asavardhan sir. He will be telling that how the manufacturing industry is going to rock through this and how he is growing. Hi sir, welcome to Bharatpreneurs.
Hi, hello. Thank you for having me at Bharatpreneurs. Bharatpreneurs is a very good event. I have followed it for the past couple of years, and I thought that I should be part of this
Wow,
event
sir.
this year. So I came here all the way from Indore
So
to
you are
attend.
from Indore. Oh
Yes,
my God, sir.
yes. I am from Indore, and I came all the way to only to attend this event.
So sir, this is your first time or have you attended before?
This is my first time. I have seen Instagram clippings and everything of Bharatpreneurs for the past 1 or 2 years, I guess.
Sir, like, what is your enthusiastic for being explored and being a top rank 5 in all over India, your company? So, what do you want to tell the manufacturing industries?
So the manufacturing industries in India is a booming sector, especially the energy sector. As we can see, the solar power and the wind power, hydropower, they are all coming up with new projects every fortnight, and uh, government is also having very good options and subsidies for the same. If you do solar power projects, if you do wind power projects, and everything. And so wind has been going on for around 2 decades now, but solar is very new in the race, and I think solar is winning in this.
Yes, yes, sir. So, sir, how are you looking yourself in upcoming years?
So, speaking about myself, I come from a family business spanning 3 generations. I'm a third generation entrepreneur in the family business. We started in 1981 as a transformer manufacturer, and now we are having number 5 rank, as you just mentioned. After the multinational corporations like Crompton, Siemens, Kirloskar, and Suzlon for our product, and as our company, I see a future very bright because of all the help and subsidies and whatnot from the Indian government, and especially our Madhya Pradesh government, with new industrial exposed new industrial areas being developed all over the country. And basically the youth entrepreneurs are you know there are a lot of MSME funding programs and manufacturing subsidy programs as well, India wide. So the future is looking bright for my company as well as the youth of India.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very proud to have you over here, and we are very proud that your company has been participated in our events. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.